guys! So nagbabalik tayo ngayong araw. So this is Teacher Joseph. So today guys, I will teach you something technical about computer. So ang gagawin natin ngayong araw is magkakaroon tayo ng video tutorial on how we are going to create a bootable USB. So this is my bootable USB, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to format this one to make it revert to its normal form as a USB. So yan. So now it's already a USB. So let's refresh. So format disk. So restore. So this is the USB that we are going to make or to create or as a bootable USB. So okay guys, first step before you are going to make your USB as a bootable USB, you need a software first or an app. So the software that is needed for you to create a bootable USB is what we call Rufus. So Rufus, it is the software that we are going to use when going to create a bootable USB. This one. So this is a free software. So what we're going to do is we are going to download this one. So this is the Rufus.ie. So this is its mainframe. But to download this one, we have here updated. So we're going to download the updated Rufus. So click that one. So it will prompt to your screen the downloader manager. So we're going to change the directory. So let's put it on the desktop, so we will be seen easily. So it will be seen easily in the desktop. So let's start downloading. So it's done guys. So let's see. So here is now our Rufus. So next step guys, we're going to open this one. So just click yes. So Rufus. So as you can see here guys, he already read the USB that I inserted. As you can see there, 7.6 gigabyte. So let us look if it is really the USB. So that's correct. We have the 7 gigabyte USB. So that is the USB that the Rufus detected. So no other, that is the USB. Next step now that we're going to do is we're going to have an ISO file like Windows, Microsoft, Windows 10 or Windows 8, Windows 7 operating system that is in an ISO file. So it is said here this or ISO image. So that is the second thing that we must have. We need to have an ISO file of an operating system. So let us look again to my files. So I have here in my files, let's go to my software. So as you can see this one guys, this is the ISO file. It is like a disk image. As you can see that one. So this is what we call ISO files. While this one, this folder here, these are what we call compressed or zip folders. So zip folders, WinRAR folders, those are different from the ISO file. So it is important that the operating system that you are going to put into your bootable USB should be an ISO file. So as you can see here, I have a Windows 10 Lite Edition. So we can use here this Windows 10 Lite Edition to put it into our USB to make it a bootable USB. So next step, guys, the Rufus already read your USB. So let us select the ISO file operating system. So you need to search that one here. So as you can see, this PC, click this PC and look for the folders in which the ISO file placed. So it's in the software folder. So as you can see here, get into PC Lite. Here it is, guys. So click that one, open. So as you can see, it's on the label now. Get into PC Windows 10 Lite Edition. So it has no label, standard Windows installation. So always remember, guys, there are two types of operating system or two types of BIOS in your laptop or PC or computer. First one, we have the GPT, and second one is the MBR. So GPT is what we call the legacy BIOS. So there are sometimes when you're going to install in a PC, sometimes your USB is not read by the computer or laptop, because if it is not GPT or legacy type, then it must be MBR type. So the most common thing is the GPT. So we're going to use the GPT UEFI. So after that one, guys, select GPT. So it depends on the BIOS of your computer. So GPT or MBR. So in my computer, it's GPT. So I'm going to use GPT. Then next step is to start that one. So it will prompt here. So all data on the device, it means the USB that I'm going to use as a bootable, it will be delete also all the files that inside that USB before the Rufus will going to start its booting for the USB. So okay, just okay that one. So first thing he's doing is deleting the files. Then after it is now starting. So it's already copying the ISO files. So we're just going to wait for that one to finish. So always remember, the two things you need to have in you is the software Rufus, the bootable, the USB, and the second software that you need is the Windows 10 operating system or the Windows 8 operating system. It's up to you on what Windows operating system is suitable for your PC or laptop. So guys, I hope you've learned something about this thing, how to boot your USB using Rufus. So let us look for the image of the USB first. So its image is like this. So you can open that one. So it is a USB type, but as the Rufus booting system finishes booting the USB now can be used as a bootable device. So comment down below, guys, on what are the things you want us to teach you all about computers, all about softwares that you want to use, or about how to download those particular software, or how to install those particular software. So comment down below, guys, and we're going to look forward for your comments. So let us wait for this to finish. So malapit na po siyang matapos. Konting pagtitiis na lang, guys. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari sa kanya. So tapos na siya, guys. So kung makikita nyo, tapos na siya. So you can close this one dahil tapos niya nang magawa yun. So refresh na natin dito. So yun, guys, ang nangyari sa kanya, naging ano na lang yung free niya, 4.57 GB na lang naging free niya. So this is now ready for rebooting or booting your laptop or PC. So that is how you are going to create a bootable device using your USB. So you can rename this one, guys. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng pangalan para hindi kayo malito dahil maraming partition dito. So ganyan natin na bootable USB. Yan na lang. Taas kasi. Refresh natin. So hindi siya ma-rename. So kung hindi siya ma-rename, guys, pwede na lang i-rename. So now it is a bootable USB. So, pwede nyo na itong gamitin kung gusto nyong mag format ng inyong laptop or ng inyong computer. So you can already use this one after you're done booting your USB. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you've learned something about this video. Pa-subscribe, pa-share naman ng video ito sa mga kakilala nyo gustong matuto kung paano gumawa ng bootable USB. So yun lang, guys. God bless everyone.